You've probably heard that global debt is this huge problem we need to solve. But what if it isn't a problem at all? What if it's a system and it's working exactly as it was designed to? Today, we're going to meet the architects of that very system. So let's start with a number that's, well, it's pretty much impossible to wrap your head around. $315 trillion. That's the total amount of debt in the world. It's more than 3 times the size of the entire global economy. And it means pretty much every single government on Earth is in the red. And that brings up a really simple but kind of terrifying question, right? If every single country owes money, who exactly do they owe it to? Well, the answer isn't a who, it's a what. It's a system. See, this system didn't just pop up out of nowhere. It wasn't an accident. Nope, it was engineered, piece by piece, over the course of 300 years. And to really understand it, you have to meet the people who built it. So let's meet the architects. Okay, so here's how we're going to break this down. We'll start with the paradox itself, then we're going to meet our 4 key architects. Patterson, who came up with the idea of a permanent loan. Then Rothschild, who spun it into an unbreakable global web. After that, Morgan, who built an engine for infinite borrowing. And finally, Volcker, who basically sprang the global trap on everyone. So let's jump back in time. Our story starts way back in the 17th century with our first architect, William Patterson, and his truly radical idea, a loan that was never, ever meant to be paid back. Picture this. It's 1694, England is completely broke, and it's stuck in a war with France.